How to turn on or turn off Sync Game Center to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the CO button. In here, we then scroll down and then tap on Game Center. Tap on the Game Center toggle button to turn off sync or to switch on sync. This will sync your settings and data from Game Center to the iCloud. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.